What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to yet another video. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new tattoo kit from Dragonhawk, the one and only Dragonhawk. This is the A1 Pro Tattoo Beginner's Kit. Another surprisingly good little tattoo machine for less than $100. Just a great deal. So that being said, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and share with a friend, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, you guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Dragonhawk, the new Dragonhawk A1 Pro Tattoo Beginner's Kit. Now this retails for around $59.99, so an incredible deal, and you get all of this good stuff. 4mm stroke machine, I believe it's a 2000 milliamp battery, pretty common. We're going to get into this in a second. Type-C charge. But it really comes with everything you need to just get started practicing on your journey. Cord, paper, a little piece of fake skin. Get some promotional stickers. You get some triple black, some stencil gel. Get a skin marker or a ruler. Get some gloves. You get some large ink caps, 15, 17 millimeter around that. Get even a little flash sheet. And you get some already pre-stencils, which is very cool. You get some Dragonhawk Pro cartridge needles. Now there's 1203s and 1205 round shaders in this box. I assume they want you to line with the shaders and then do some whip shading with the liners. Got a voltage range between 4 and 12 volts. This is a Type-C charge, a 4mm stroke, custom core motor, 12 volts, 10,000 RPMs. And yes, a 2000 milliamp battery, so a pretty big battery, or a pretty substantial battery for this little machine. I did actually do a little tattooing with the machine, and it's a great little liner. Yeah, great little liner. It's a speedy guy. Yeah, just about everything you need to get started going here. Get some mass triple black, stencil gel. Get a little piece of fake skin. We're not going to use this fake skin, but we're going to be tattooing on some of that thicker yellow stuff today. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to take a quick look at the cartridges here. Dragonhawk Pro. Now these are my first Dragonhawk cartridges. I did do some ink well testing, and these things hold a stupid amount of ink from here to here, and then here to then some. I didn't get full penetration there on this thick rubber basketball-like skin. But cartridges seem pretty dang good. We got good stabilization there. That little plastic piece helps stabilize the bar. We all know that. Locking end cap here prevents it from twisting. Also that push pin in there, I'm sure, is a square, so it keeps it from twisting as well. This is a 5 round shader. Nice and snappy. Strong membrane. A1 Pro, 4mm stroke, 2000 milliamp battery. Threads like so. Now I don't know if you can get backup batteries for these, but you may be able to. Yeah, just threads in like so. Nothing too fancy, not magnetic or anything. Just screw it in, screw it out. Very simple screen, but has all the information you need there. Battery, voltage, power on, power off, timer, and Bluetooth. And it does actually work with the Dragonhawk app. Connect it to our machine, and we can adjust our voltage. Very cool. Necessary? No, but cool factor? Yes, definitely is a cool factor. Alrighty guys, so here I'm just going to demonstrate how much ink these Dragonhawk Pro cartridges actually hold. They hold a substantial amount of ink and I was thoroughly impressed. Now I actually noticed this while I was messing around. I had a whole different plan where I was going to stencil one of those stencils he sent with the kit and I was just going to tattoo that. Struggled to get the stencil to stay just because I was too impatient to let it dry. And I noticed how much ink these things actually hold, and I thought that was worth commending. So here, this is just one pull off the ink cap, one draw out of the ink cap. This is a new draw right here, the second line. And then I'm just going to finish out what's left in the reservoir right here. So yes, they hold a crazy amount of ink. Let me know what you guys think. That rhymes. So here I'm just going to demonstrate the machine itself. I feel like there's a stigma that comes with a lot of inexpensive tattoo machines that come in these kits, that they are like weak and or not powerful, and this thing is actually quite powerful and a very capable tattoo machine of executing some actual tattoos. I'm just packing some Waverly Red into this tattoo here where I have a 10-11 round shader, medium taper, and I think I have it at like 7.5, 7.4, and I'm just doing a standard shovel motion, and then I'm packing this in there pretty effortlessly. And packing is one of my weaknesses, so it does a great job at lining packing. It's a speedy little machine, so I like to keep it below 7.5, which is my preference for machines these days. I like them when I can use them at low volts and they're plenty fast. So yeah, just one passing this red here with an 11 round shader, and it's doing a tremendous job. Yes, the Dragonhawk A1 Pro Tattoo Beginner's Kit. Great little kit, $59.99 I believe is what they told me. Just came out just a few days ago, so be sure to check this one out. Another win for Dragonhawk Mast. Little 4mm banger, little packer, little liner, does just about everything. You get some good carts, good machine. So yeah, definitely check this one out, $59.99. You just cannot beat that price tag. Alright gang, that's going to do it. Thank you very, very much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, share with a friend, and thanks once again to Dragonhawk. I appreciate the patience. Great little kit, so definitely check it out. I do have a discount code down there if you're interested, so check that out as well. Help support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.